Hello everyone. Alright, tell me, how can you be so sure the company you're dealing with isn't trying to scam you? In today's world, scams are everywhere and staying informed is crucial for protecting ourselves. In this lecture, we will explore how these tools work and why they matter and how they keep consumers safe from common scams. Let's begin this. This lecture will allow you to explain the purpose and function of the Better Business Bureau Scam Tracker, understand how consumer alerts work and what types of information they provide, describe how these tools contribute to a safer marketplace for consumers. The Better Business Bureau Scam Tracker is an online tool created to help people report and track scams in real time. It is a public database where anyone can see and learn about scams reported across North America. The scam tracker allows users to track by keyword, type of scam, or location, making it easy to identify scams targeting people in their area or industry. The primary goal of the scam tracker is to prevent scams by raising awareness. The Better Business Bureau enables consumers to stay informed about potential threats by providing an open, searchable database. When users report scams, the Better Business Bureau categorizes them and shares details, which can often include description of the scam, a summary of how the scam works, including methods used by scammers. Monetary losses. This information about how much money was lost, if any, helps users gauge the seriousness of the scam. Geographic location. Details on where the scam has been reported, showing if it's local, national, or even international. Fraud prevention expert Carol Hansen says Scam Tracker is a valuable tool that keeps people informed and empowers them to spot scams before they fall victim. Scam Tracker creates a more informed consumer base by giving people the power to report and search scams. The Better Business Bureau Scam Tracker covers a wide range of scams, each with unique methods and targets. Let's look at some of the most common types. Phishing scams are among the most widespread and involve scammers impersonating legitimate organizations to obtain sensitive information. For instance, a scammer might pose as a bank or online retailer asking for personal details under the guise of account verification. With the growth of online shopping, fraudulent online stores have become more common. These scams involve fake websites or social media ads that promise popular items at a steep discount, only to disappear once they collect payments. Employment scams target job seekers by offering fake job opportunities that require an upfront fee or access to sensitive information. These scams prey on people's need for income, especially during times of high unemployment. Investment scams provide high returns with little to no risk. They often involve fake cryptocurrency opportunities, pyramid schemes, or other too good to be true investment aimed at people eager to grow their savings. In these scams, fraudsters pretend to be tech support agents from well known companies, claiming that the victim's computer is infected. They trick people into paying for fake services or installing malicious software. In addition to the scam tracker, the Better Business Bureau issues consumer alerts to warn the public about emerging scams or high risk businesses. Consumer alerts are typically issued when the Better Business Bureau identifies an ongoing pattern of deceptive activity, often before complaints have fully materialized. Here is how consumer alerts work. The Better Business Bureau monitors complaints, scam reports, and other sources of information to identify potential threats. When a business or scam tactic appears frequently and shows signs of misleading practices, the Better Business Bureau may issue a consumer alert. Once a pattern of concern is established, the Better Business Bureau posts the alert on its website and may share it through news outlets, social media, and email lists. These alerts provide crucial information, such as the name of the business, the nature of the scam, and advice for avoiding it. Consumer alerts do not just identify scams, they also offer practical tips into how to avoid them. For instance, an alert about online purchase scam might advise consumers to verify website authenticity and look for trusted payment options. Consumer alerts protect consumers by raising awareness of high risk situations. They also support businesses by promoting fair competition as fraudulent businesses are exposed before they can affect large number of people. These Better Business Bureau tools provide more than just information. They are essential in keeping the marketplace safe. Here is why they are so valuable. Scam tracker and consumer alerts helps people recognize potential fraud before it happens, saving them from monetary losses. When people know about scams targeting their area or industry, they can make informed choices and protect their finances. The scam tracker empowers consumers by giving them a platform to report fraud and share information with others. When people report scams, they help strengthen the scam tracker database, making it an even more effective tool for everyone. By exposing fraudulent businesses and scams, these tools contribute to a marketplace where consumers feel safe making purchases, donations, and investments. The Better Business Bureau's goal is to foster an environment of trust, and these tools play a vital role in achieving that mission. Fraud prevention advisor Eric Lane observes scam tracker and consumer alerts create a feedback loop of awareness and prevention. Consumers can stay one step ahead of scams, and businesses can build trust by operating transparently. Visit the Better Business Bureau scam tracker and search for scams reported in your area. Write a brief summary of one scam and explain how this information could help you avoid similar situations. Do you think tools like the Better Business Bureau scam tracker would make you more likely to research a business before purchasing? Why or why not? Share your thoughts in the comment section. To put it into perspective, staying informed is one of the best ways to protect yourself from fraud. We have thoroughly covered the Better Business Bureau scam tracker and consumer alerts and how they allow users to report and search for scams in real time. Let's wind up this lecture here. See you in the next one.